Hello, my name is Steven Payares, and I study food engineering at the UNAT. And this was the question I chose. The question is, what are your goals for the future? And well, my first goal in the future is to graduate as a food engineer. My second goal is to specialize in a food line. And my third goal for the future is to get a great job in a great company. My fourth goal for the future is to be able to get my own house. My ultimate goal for the future is to be able to buy my family and be happy. Thank you.